Welcome back to Mkirikacha TV, where we turn every tomato grower into a tomato pro. Today we're going full-on ninja mode. We're building traps. That's right, DIY pest traps to protect your juicy tomato fruits from nasty little invaders, the organic way. Ever found holes in your tomato leaves, yellowing, curling, chewed up stems? That's not your neighbor's goat. Those are pests. Aphids, whiteflies, fruit worms, thrips, and the notorious tomato hornworm. But don't worry, you won't need fancy chemicals. We're using things lying around your kitchen or backyard to build powerful organic traps. Let's go. First up, the yellow sticky trap. Whiteflies, aphids, and fungus gnats can't resist the color yellow. It's like a disco party for them. Change the paper every week for best results, or when it starts looking like an insect graveyard. Next up, the sneaky beer trap. Turns out slugs and snails are party animals too. They're drawn to the yeast in beer like bees to honey. Don't use your expensive beer. Save that for celebrating your pest-free tomatoes. Got aphids? Here's a sweet trap, literally. Aphids are attracted to rotting banana peels. The banana peel also releases potassium as it breaks down. Double win. Here's a classic, the fruit fly vinegar trap. Great for dealing with flies and gnats before they spread to your tomatoes. They fly in, but they don't fly out. It's a one-way ticket to the vinegar void. Hornworms are masters of camouflage, unless you use this secret weapon, a UV light. Hornworms glow because of the proteins in their skin reacting to UV light. Nature's own special effects. Tomatoes deserve love and protection. These traps are cheap, easy, and organic. No chemicals, no stress, just clever, eco-friendly warfare against pests. If you learned something new today or just enjoyed the ride, show us some love. Like this video. Comment your favorite trap, subscribe to Mkirikacha TV, and share this with a tomato grower near you. Mkirikacha TV, farming just got fun.